This is a voiceless consonant. You can hear it at the beginning of the word fat, in the middle of the word coffee, at the end of the word rough, and at the beginning and end of the word fluff. Now, did you see how I make this sound? Watch my lip and my top teeth. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Fat, coffee, rough, fluff. Okay. You may find it difficult to tell the difference between this voiceless sound f and its voiced partner v. Listen carefully to hear the difference. For each example, I shall say the word with the voiceless sound first. Fan, van, leaf, leave, off, of, rifle, rival. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Fan, van, leaf, leave, off, of, rifle, rival. Okay.